Pre-planted hanging baskets could be the perfect solution for you, because basically what we've done is we've done all of the work for you. You can take all of the pride, we don't care, but you've got this beautiful colour combination. Now, this particular one is Sherbett Lemon. You've got the blue lobelia, you've got the white verbena, and you've got this gorgeous yellow Bidens in the middle. So it gives you the cool, calming colour combination between the blue and the white. But it gives you that popping yellow, bright, vibrant colour in the centre of the basket, just to add a bit of contrast. So the colour combination is tried and tested. It's plants that will grow together beautifully, that will last all the way through the summer, into the autumn, even up to the winter time. And in fact, it will only be the frosts that stop these baskets from looking absolutely gorgeous. But it's so easy. We've done all of the work. If you've been busy this year, if you just didn't get round to planting up your hanging baskets, but you really would like some summer displays, this could be the answer. And actually they'll arrive nursery fresh, ready to go. And all you've got to do is take them out of the packaging, carefully take them out of the cardboard box. The hangers are already on them, so they're already connected. You'll notice there's a little piece of white strapping around the side here. That's just to keep them absolutely in one place, keep all of the root ball into the actual pot in transit. So just snip that with a pair of scissors, slide it out from the side, and then just discard it. You won't need that again. So you can take them out of the box, hang them up, and literally from that moment, that is the worst they will look all the way through the whole of your summer season. You've got to water them, of course, and we would recommend you water them every 2 or 3 days as a minimum, but if it's really hot, could even be every day. And we would say feed them at least once a week with a high potash food. And that's really going to ensure you get a continuous, unending and beautifully vibrant display of flowers on your baskets. Now, the best is the blooming fast soluble feed. That's fantastic for this particular type of plant, and it will ensure you get great results. It's on the website, so you'll find that. But these pre-planted baskets are, I think, the answer. They give you instant impact. There's virtually no work for you to do. You've just got to take them out of the box, hang them up, and away they go. They will flower repeatedly for weeks and weeks, in fact, many months, right the way through until the frosts. And of course, you can just sit there and enjoy them. So we've done the work, we've done the difficult, complicated bit of growing them on. You don't have to. So I would really recommend you get these this year, get them on your patio, and then when you're out there in summer barbecue time, or just chillaxing, having a staycation perhaps this year, you really can enjoy knowing that your basket's going to look just like the picture you see here.